Hi, this is John with Sufron Construction Engineering, and today I'm going to be talking about the report submission process. So again, we've been talking about recertification processes, different phases. So once you get your recertification report, the engineer or architect, they're going to hand it off to you, maybe in a physical format or a digital format. It's important that you know the format that your municipality receives it in. There's in Dade County, Broward County, there's 30 plus different municipalities, and each municipality, excuse me, each municipality has their own specific process. So it's very important that if you're going to be submitting it, you know the process on how to submit your report for that specific municipality, and that you also know the fee, that you also know the format they want to receive it in, some digital, some physical. So that's a very, very important step. That most of the time goes undone. So if you know the process, once you get your report and you know that process, you can just easily submit it and basically pay the fee and then follow up with them. What I recommend clients is either hire a permit expediter or have the firm that's going to be doing it for you perform it. Why? Because, for example, in our company, we submit our reports for our clients, and we have a specialized person in our team that just follows up weekly. They submit it, they pay the fees, and they follow up every week with with the municipality, so that we can know where the file is, how it's being tracked. If there's any deficiencies, we also know. If there's any comments or any revisions, we also get those alerts first-handed. We also share them with with the clients and the owners. But it's a very, very, I would say, value-added service that we provide. And just make sure that if you're going to be doing it yourself, that you know the process. If you're going to be hiring a third party, that they know the process. Here at Sufron, we do it for all our clients, and we usually deliver it with success. We prefer to do it so that we can then close your case, whether in good standing or in deficiencies and repairs required, letting you know what they are, etc. So keep in mind, submission support, report submission process is extremely important. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, like, subscribe, share, give us a call. We're here to help. We're Sufron Construction Engineering. We provide building recertification inspections throughout the entire state of Florida. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.